Welcome students. Welcome to my fourth lecture. I am Roxana Parvin, lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, World University of Bangladesh. In third lecture, we have started to design the interior longitudinal beam and completed up to moment calculation. And here, in this lecture, we will calculate the reinforcement of the beam and also show the detailing of reinforcement. This figure shows the types of beam to be designed. Moment has calculated in previous lecture. Here, W-beam will be designed in interior support, as here the moment is always maximum. Single beam will be designed for exterior negative moment, and T-beam will be designed for mid-span moment. We will first design W-beam for interior negative moment at interior support. At interior support end, negative moment MNI equal to 2856 kipinch. See previous lecture and also slide 3. Now, M design equal to phi r BD square. Phi equal to 0.9, R equal to 0.796 KSI as calculated in previous lecture. B equal to 12 inch beam width. D equal to effective depth equal to 16.5 inch. See previous lecture. Substituting all these values in equation, we get M design equal to 2340.5 kip inch. Then S1 equal to rho BD equal to 3.13 inch square. This is the same procedure to design doubly reinforced beam in your course C703. Here S1 equal to 3.13 inch square and Fy equal to 60 KSI. So finally A equal to 5.26 inch, C equal to A by beta 1. Beta 1 equal to 0.85. So finally C equal to 6.2 inch. Now epsilon prime S equal to epsilon U into C minus D prime by C. Here epsilon U equal to 0.003. C equal to 6.2 inch. D equal to 2.5 inch. So finally epsilon prime S equal to 0.002. Then F prime S equal to ES into epsilon prime S. Here ES equal to modulus of elasticity of steel equal to 29 into 10 to the power 6 psi. And epsilon prime S equal to 0.002. And finally we get F prime S equal to 58 KSI. In doubly reinforced beam, we have to provide reinforcement in both tension and compression zone. For compression reinforcement, A prime S equal to MNI minus M design divided phi F prime S into D minus D prime. Here, M design equal to 2340.5 kipinch. See slide 4. MNI equal to 2856 kipinch. See slide 3. F prime S equal to 58 KSI. See slide 4. So finally, F prime S stands to 0.71 inch square. For tensile reinforcement, S2 equal to MNI minus M design divided phi Fy into D minus D prime. All values are calculated or given. Total steel area at tension zone AS equal to AS1 plus AS2. And finally, AS equal to 3.81 inch square. Singly reinforced beam. At exterior support end, negative moment MNE equal to 1608 kipinch. See slide 2. Take A equal to 1 inch. A is equal to MNE divided phi Fy into D minus A by 2. Replacing all values, we get AS equal to 1.86 inches square. Now having check with this formula, the value of A stands to 3.13 inch. Again take A equal to 3.13 inch and steel area AS equal to 1.99 inches square. So use flexural steel area AS equal to 1.99 inches square. T-beam. At mid-span, positive moment MP equal to 1836 kipinch. See slide 2. For T-beam design, we need to calculate effective flange width. Now, effective flange width of a T-beam A, BF equal to BW plus 16T. Here, BW equal to beam width equal to 12 inch. T equal to slab thickness equal to 6 inch. Now, BF equal to 108 inch. BF equal to L by 4, where L equal to span length equal to 25.25 feet. Finally, BF equal to 76 inch. C, BF equal to center spacing of the beam equal to 5 feet plus 1 feet plus 5 feet. And finally, BF equal to 132 inch. So we take BF equal to 76 inch, the minimum one. At mid-span positive moment, MP equal to 1836 kipinch. See slide 2. Take A equal to 1 inch. And finally, replacing all values, we get steel area AS equal to 2.12 inches square. Now having checked with this formula, the value of A stands to 3.56 inch. Again take A equal to 3.56 inch and steel area AS equal to 2.33 inches square. So flexural steel area is AS equal to 2.33 inches square. This is the summary of reinforcement at various points. Here, flexural reinforcement at exterior support is 1.99 inches square and mid-span is 2.33 inches square and interior support is 3.81 inches square for tension zone and 0.71 inches square for compression zone. This is the reinforcement detailing of beam. For 0.71 inches square steel at interior support, we have used 2 number 6 bar all through. In left mid-span, total positive steel area is 2.33 inches square. For providing 2 number 6 bar all through, it covers 0.88 inches square from 2.33 inches square area. The rest 1.45 inches square steel area, we have provided 2 number 6 bar and 2 number 5 bar as extra bar. At left exterior support, total steel area equal to 1.99 inches square. As we have provided 2 number 6 bar all through, it covers 0.88 inches square area from 1.99 inches square and 3.81 inches square. The rest 1.11 inches square steel area, we have provided 2 number 6 bar and 1 number 5 bar as extra bar. Similarly, we have provided 6 number 6 bar and 1 number 5 bar as extra top for interior support as tensile steel area of 3.81 inches square. Similarly, extra steel at points has calculated. This is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you everyone.